What's going on, yo? Welcome back to the channel. So for this video, it's gonna be a short video, quick alternator swap on the 2003 Silverado. It went out about 3-4 months ago, so it's gonna be a quick video. Just remove it, take it to AutoZone, get it checked. I'm sure it's bad, but I just wanted to test it real quick, and then I'll get a replacement, come back and put it on the truck and get it started. Let's go. All right, y'all, so real quick, belt, bolt here, connector, and then another connector over here. Remove that, and the alternator is out. Alright, so we're back, and I did go ahead and get the bigger alternator. I think it's a 145 amp, only because the other one was 105, and I am running e-fans, electric fans, does have a system and several other gauges, so I believe that might have been the reason why the other one gave out. But we'll try this one out, see what else I need to change. But as far as I read from the research, it's just the belt, but I'm hoping this one works with it, so let's try and give it a try, see how it works. Also, I'll throw in a picture of what the difference is from the old one to this one, or the smaller one to this one. Alright, yeah, so I don't need another belt. This one works. The only reason I thought it needed one is because when I was turning it, the ratchet was hitting here on the water pump. But now I was able to put it on, and I'm just gonna put everything back together, like the plugs, the wire, and then trying to start it, charge the battery a little bit, and then start it. See how this one works. It should be a lot better now, but we'll see. All right, we're inside, the booster's connected. Let's see what happens. All right, there it is. Looks like 14 volts, around there. Alright, yeah, so the truck is running alright. I need to put some fuel in it. I have another issue that I need to fix. The fuel gauge does not work, but I'll leave that for another video. But for now, it's going to be it. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram as Ellie's Garage. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and see you guys on the next one.